One of the best ways to protect your new car's interior is with a set of CalTrend custom seat covers. CalTrend uses CAD/CAM systems to create custom-fitted seat covers for a variety of popular applications, making them easy to install and with a perfect fit. Installation on most CalTrend custom seat covers simply requires slipping them over the existing factory seat back and seat bottom cushions. Heavy-duty nylon straps and quick-release buckles are used to secure the seat bottom covers in place. Covers for the seatback cushions are secured with double-stitch hook and latch strips, as well as with durable elastic bands with S-hooks that attach to the underside of the seat frame. On some vehicles with folding bench-style rear seats, the covers use heavy-duty zippers, allowing them to simply slip over the rear seat back. Headrest covers are also included in each CalTrend seat cover kit. These simply slip over the factory headrest and wrap around the bottom using heavy-duty hook and latch strips. With a wide variety of fabrics and colors to choose from, CalTrend seat covers can give your vehicle a custom appearance that also protects the upholstery from sun damage, moisture, accidental spills, and abrasions.